What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys have seen the last video, you guys know that we got this car dropped off and we got a new turbo kit to install. This actually belongs to my friend Danielle. Yes, it is a female driven car. If you guys have been watching the channel, you guys probably have seen this car here before. It came in a few months ago to do the cold pack retrofit kit and also to fix the wiring issue with it. And then this car went to the dyno, but the car had issues with the aftermarket distributor not syncing timing. So the car kind of just been put away for a little while. So now the car is back here in the garage. We are going to be changing the Dizzy to an OEM unit. Her old turbo kit is already sold. She pulled it off and it was gone within like 8 hours. It was an old drag Gen 3 turbo kit with a Turbonetics turbo, and it was just a log manifold setup. It wasn't going to suit what this motor was built for. It is a GSR piston rod setup, and this car has been running the same motor since 2012, and I think it's time that it deserves a turbo kit that it needs. So here's the layout of all the new stuff that we're going to be installing in the car. She had a log manifold setup before, just like this one, and it was like, you know, really struggling after about 350 horsepower. So a top mount precision 6262. We have a tile 44, Grady blow valve, boost controller, sheepy intercooler, as well as a Speed Factory top mount manifold. She is going up pipes with this and the wastegate as well. Everything seems to be here other than miscellaneous vacuum lines, which I have in my box behind the shelf there, but the only thing that I'm seeing as of right now is this is a -3 fitting and her line is a -4. So I'm gonna have to situate the oil feed line to the turbo. I'm gonna have to like go through my inventory to see if I have a -3 line and fitting for the back of the block. But other than that, the return line is already on the car. It has a 45 and a 45. I'm gonna see if I can try to make that work. If not, I'm gonna have to cut it and put a different angle if I have to, because this is really close to everything here. So I'm gonna throw you guys on a whole clip of labor so I can spend more time working on the car while we still have a ton of daylight. It is currently 11:53, so I'm gonna go ahead and get down to work, and I hope you guys enjoy.
You never get scared of her? Sometimes I get like, can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want, baby. Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want. Just give me
Time out, quick pause. Here is my dilemma. So I love my intercoolers to be nice and symmetrical, nice and centered, right? This is centered. My issue is that these back doors, that's not an issue because we can always make that bend however we need it to get it to the inlet. But this one, with this being centered, this one is literally in the way of the radiator, and the radiator can't go anymore because of the wastegate. So the only way I can make this intercooler work without modification is to off-center it. And making the intercooler off-centered puts this close to the frame rail, which then I have about, you know, almost 4 inches across here. But now the intercooler is not straight. And again, that one's not a big deal because we can always turn this however we need it to fit into that one. So
die, ride or die, fly. Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep well by my side. CJ act, never gotta roll with ice. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep well by my side. CJ act, never gotta roll with ice. Ride or die, 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 ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep well by my side. CJ act, never gotta ride or die.
Guys, it has been a long 3 days of installing this turbo kit and fabricating all of the parts needed to complete this turbo kit. The last clip you guys saw was the bumper being all tweaked out, but we spent some time cutting it up and cutting myself up as well to fit the bumper over the ginormous sheepy intercooler, and I must say, looks freaking awesome. I have not turned the car on yet. I just finished pretty much the bumper after doing the boost solenoid, which is ran into the car right now, but I have not wired it up because I cannot open that door due to the truck. I spent a good minute cutting out the hole on the hood because I didn't want to go oversized and it looks like a crooked heart. But that is 2 holes for the teardrops, and you know, it fits perfectly. Can you take off the hinge real quick? Yes, sir. Thank you. So here we have the hood. It latches normally, clearance all around, and I hope that the solid motor mount is not going to rock this engine where it's going to bash this, but that's not really a big deal. If it did, we'll just cut it some more, but looks freaking awesome. The only thing really left for the engine bay side of things is there's no coolant in here because previous owner had taken the radiator off to fit the turbo kit before, but had issues with trying to fit the radiator because there was an elbow that came off of the top mount that placed a wastegate like over here somewhere. This thing is pretty much ready to fire over, guys, and I'm gonna do so right now. Gotta hook up the battery real quick. And there you have it, guys. That is the complete turbo kit install for Danny Duke's EG. Hopefully this car gets back on the dyno really soon. Our next track day is in March Mayhem, and I'm hoping to see this car out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for more wagon content, because I am going to resume this car tomorrow, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.